Hello everyone, my name is Smita and today I'm going to show you how to make spicy vegetable macaroni Indian style. In a pressure cooker, put about 2 thin slices of butter. It can be salted or unsalted. Okay, once the butter has started melting, add in the onions. I have used red onions. You can use white if you prefer. Saute them for a few minutes. Okay, when they have softened a little bit, add in, I've used about half a chopped tomato. In a bowl here, I have got carrots, peas, green beans, mushrooms, potatoes and spinach. But you can use whatever types of vegetables you want to use. So I'm going to add a bowl of vegetables to the tomatoes and onion. Just give it a stir. Put it on low flame. I'm using about 1 cereal bowl full of macaroni, which I'm going to add to these vegetables. I'm going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Okay, to this mixture I am going to add about half of this bowl of water. I'm going to add about 1.5 spoons of salt, half a spoon of turmeric. I'm going to use about 1 spoon of ginger and garlic paste. And to this mixture I'm also going to add some mixed herbs. Just mix everything together. Okay, I'm going to close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook it on high flame. Let it cook for 1 whistle. But you can, you don't have to use a pressure cooker. You can cook this in a saucepan. You can cook this in 1 pot or even a rice cooker. So while the macaroni is cooking, I'm just going to make a cornflour slurry. So I use about 1 heaped tablespoon of cornflour and a little bit of water and just mix it together. Okay, the pressure cooker has cooled down now, so we'll open the pressure cooker. And the macaroni and the vegetables are cooked, so we're going to put the flame on low heat again, just very low heat. So let it simmer. And to this I'm going to add the slurry which I prepared earlier. This is just so that the sauce becomes a little bit thick. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now to this you can add a little bit of salt or even chilli according to your taste. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit of chilli pepper and a little bit of salt to taste. Just going to make it a little bit spicy. This is now ready to be served, so I'm going to dish it out in a bowl. Okay, I actually like eating this with some French bread which I have buttered. But you can have this on its own. You can even try having it with rice or chapati.